Haukerekere ana a Taranaki ki Tāmaki.
Special. Now that try.
Manawa nui ana ngā wetu maiangi o STARS Academy he kāwi rangatahi kapariki kua tau ki Tāmaki Makaurau ki te taka I ngā tapu wai o ō rātou I hopu manawa.
1, 2, 3, STARS!
Oh, it's wicked, eh? Like, you know, so ever since I was a kid I've been wanting to meet all these stars and it's just crazy I can come out here and blessed enough to see them all.
Yeah, it's been pretty good, good experience and meeting or doing new things that I haven't really done before.
It's been awesome to come up to Auckland to show the girls, I guess, what rugby league can look like here in New Zealand. Doesn't matter where you come from, you know, Gayle had to play for Hawara Hawks and stuff like that growing up and now look at it, you know. So just showing them that there is that passion, that belief in them.
No o ngāta I ana te wetu rongonui o Taranaki a Gayle Broughton ki waenga I ngā kura poipoi kōtiro ki te waka ihihi I a rātou.
I was once youth. You know, I came to camps like these and I didn't have the same opportunities, but you know, I had a club team. Obviously, like I said, very proud Hawara Hawks junior club, rep it till I die. But yeah, ultimately, you guys are my inspiration.
Pretty special, eh? I think we just spoke about it before, just full circle moment, getting to see a lot of these young kids, who I am. I'm proud to be from Taranaki. Everywhere I go, everyone knows I rep the 278 loud and proud, so yeah, they'll probably just see actually their cousin, really.
One of the main purposes behind these type of hikoi, these type of trips is to give exposure to our tamariki and our rangatahi to kind of see what's out there, with the hope that gives them just a little bit of inspiration to really, you know, believe in themselves and chase their dreams and their aspirations. And when they get to rub shoulders with people that are doing that or have done that, that helps them with their self-belief and stuff as well. So that's what we really hope to get out this weekend.
E tipu tere ana a STARS Academy a kakahakite I te wanake haere o te hākinakina nei huri noa ana.
Been really special to give our tamariki, our rangatahi an opportunity to experience something that not a lot of people get to experience. You know, to be with some of our NRL players, NRLW players, and to be here on the big stage to see how it all happens, it's pretty cool. Plenty of smiles and happiness and laughter. And that's what it's all about at the end of the day, giving them experiences that they love and enjoy.
Hua kina mai ai ngā tatau o te taiwanga o Rarotonga, kia taia ai nei rangatai kite I ngā kura a roto.
I had a lot of mates and I thought it would be pretty cool, like all the adventures we do for the STARS.
Oh, the reason I chose to be a part of STARS is I just love the wairua and the mana really of the people that run it, and they've taken me really far.
Me te aha he ara pikinga ka waia nei rangatai me o rātou wānau kia kimi I te ana mata. Te kakinga Kawiti Bashara, Taieri News.
Ko te reo, te take.